back to another video, and today we're playing this game called Don't Press the Button 4, and this time we're on Roblox again. As you know, I changed my skin. Last time it was something else. I don't even remember what it was.
They're just playing at the doors.
But as you know, we're playing Don't Press the Button 4. And this time my friends are not playing.
Because they did.
Because at this point they're not allowed to play for now. Because it is 8 o'clock p.m. And yeah, let's start the video. Okay, guys. I've been killed. That's good information. Never mind. I'm just doing an accent for fun. I like doing accents for one reason. Oh, I forgot I had this thing that allows you to fire glitter, which you can barely see. Look. Wow! That's cool. Isn't it, guys? What? How are we supposed to How were we supposed to dodge that attack? It's a trap! Okay, we're on a trampoline. Boing.
Boing, boing.
Boing, 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 boing. Oh, someone's putting Robux on the trampoline. Yeah! Get to the end. I can memorize this very easily. Okay. Go over here, go over here. Oh, I made it! Yay, I won! This guy helped me. He's very useful. And yeah. Okay. Wait, I didn't realize I won. This is cool. People are so useful. Look at this. No. No. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. No. People were literally... Oh. Oh, that's why I died. I didn't grab the correct color. Oh, I thought you just had to jump. Oh, okay. Well, that was still fun. Survive. This will be pretty easy, I think. Oh, shoot. That was a close one. Shoot. No, no, no. Oh, I died. Oh, well. Okay, well, oh, no one died. No one survived. Knock on the door. Oh, look. Run? What do you mean? We should have never knocked on the door, guys. Oh, shoot. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. This is so easy. Ah. Never mind, that was not easy. We're rushing. Yes.
No, you're not rushing.
I got a coin. Oh, people died just for not standing still. Okay, well. Yay, I got on top. Guys, by the way, this game is on Roblox. If you have Roblox on PC, Xbox, or phone, or tablet, you could install Roblox for free. And don't forget to subscribe and like to my videos, to my channel. So then, and don't forget to click that bell so then you won't miss any of my videos when they get posted. Plus it'll take a little... What was that? What pushed me off? I don't understand. Please, can you tell me where I am?
No.
Okay, I guess. Oh. Well, seems like this is going the hard way. Yes, it is going the hard way. Who cares? The snowman has been built. What does it mean, choose a side? What? So literally everybody died? What? What? Glitter cannon! Okay. Oh, that was just really hard. Wow. I should have known. I'm a parkour pro. No.
No, you're not.
I'm speed running parkour as hard as I can. I'm a parkour pro. Parkour. Never mind. I'm not a parkour pro. Football. Oh no. Score a goal to earn coins. Cool. What just happened there, mister? Can you tell me what happened? Please? Please, mister, can you tell me where? Please? Ow. No one scored a goal. Okay, who cares? Take cover under the umbrella. No! Oh well. I guess I hated this. Oh look, it's raining slime. And okay, well we'll just end the video here, and we'll see each other in the next video.